Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rot- rotation picture 3D in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document. Firstly, 3D rotation picture. Now for click in here. Now going to the insert one option. Now click for the picture option. Then insert picture. Now for insert option. Then show the picture. This picture is the 3D rotation. Now click for the picture effect option. Now click for the 3D rotation. Then shows 3D rotation. Then shows. That's it. Then show the 3D rotation picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.